Okay, here's the truck. It's a 62 Chevy, 6 lug flatbed. What's that? Oh, that's enough. You want it? Get it clean. And there's the inside again. It's gonna be a project, but I don't care. That's what I like doing. Yeah, bad Brad wants to give me some help. My cuñado here is giving me all the help I need right now. My brother-in-law. We're using a tow bar to get it about 10 miles, is it? So wish us luck. That's his truck. This is my truck. No big dents. Little bit of rust on the quarter panel here on the running board. Uh, got one tire painted already. 2004 tags. That's a problem. Hey, you know what? It has 2004 tags. I hope he has it on non-op.
Yeah, I hope so too.
If not, yeah,